So there's been this trend in social media of like where we were at 10 years ago and what we all looked like around like 2016, right? Well, as you know, like firefighters or most firefighters have part-time jobs or their own businesses outside of our careers. My part-time job or my business at the time in 2016 was a food truck. It was pretty successful in my opinion, but life happened and I ended up having to shut it down. One of my friends who I met through the food truck business recommended that I cooked for my crew what I cooked on the food truck and make it like a little mini series. So let's do it. We're gonna treat the crew. They've been great to me, like they always have. And we'll call it Captain Keen's Cooking for the Crew. That's a lot.
You're probably already out there with somebody new. I hope that you're not showing them things that we do. And baby, don't try to deny it, know that it's true. Nobody touches your body the way that I do.
Sesame sauce.
Come inside, like we're gonna let's ride. This ride, this ride. Mama side, like we're gonna baby coming inside. Mama sits, mama side, like we're gonna baby coming inside. Have a seat, come inside, like we're gonna baby coming inside. Like we're gonna baby come on let's ride. Like we're gonna baby come on let's ride. Feeling away. The sun goes down. How could you tell me you love me and then go run off? What's crazy about it is I was so into your vibe. You had a special way that you would bring me alive. You're probably already out there with somebody new. I hope that you're not showing them things that we do.